Scotland is facing a litter emergency, according to an environmental charity. Keep Scotland Beautiful say they're seeing more discarded bottles, wrappers and vapes every year. Felicity Clifford joined a group of volunteers clearing up their village in Fife as part of the annual Spring Clean campaign.
Take spare bags with you.
Ready to do their part to tackle a growing issue in Fife. The Saline Steelend Gardening Club are taking part in Keep Scotland Beautiful's annual litter pick.
Val, in the first 10 minutes of your litter pick, what have you found?
So I've got plenty of plastic bottles, I've just picked up a rubber glove, I've got a huge piece of wood, I've even got a welly boot that's been laying in here all week.
Bottles used to be the biggest form of litter, followed by cans and cigarette papers. They tend to be much less now. It's more crisp packets, sweetie papers.
For me, it was mainly bottle tops, sweet wrappers.
It actually looks not too bad, but there were, maybe 6 or 7 of us walking round, and it was amazing the amount of litter that we picked up. We each came back with a full bag.
Clean up Scotland is what we like to do. Pick up your litter, put it in the bin too.
For the last 3 weeks, thousands of people from across Scotland have had their bags at the ready for the annual Spring Clean. Despite running the event for several years, the charity's research has found the rubbish continues to pile up.
We're seeing an increase in food and drink related litter, we're seeing an increase in cigarettes and smoking related litter, single-use vapes, that sort of thing. But the trend isn't the same across the whole country. It's worse in urban areas, it's worse in deprived communities, so it tends to be worse where people are hanging about and eating and drinking on the go.
Throughout the year, different groups do their part to keep the issue at bay. But campaigners say we need to challenge attitudes towards litter.
Often we do walk past areas full of litter and we don't even notice. So I think part of it is about getting out there with a local group, and there's still time during this spring clean to make an effort to pick up things and see the problem. But then it's also challenging people, whether that's in your family, in your friend group, your workplace, your school, your community, to say, come on, we can do better, we can have a bit more pride.
So far, the clean-up has collected more than 170 tonnes of rubbish. But the message for the public is clear.
Don't drop litter, just put it in a bin.
Felicity Clifford, STV News.